Kasi,
ayan, dito naman kami.
Pag nandoon ka, ganda ka ganun
Ang
ka.
tawag dito, nagpiknik kami sa Trocadero.
Bulkantal.
Di ba mataas din yung kuya?
Oo, mataas din.
Diyan mo ilagay.
Nandoon ka, sa Palace de Sky, kaya Tagaytay ka lang eh. Kayo po ka tumingin sa ano. Bukan. Kasi, kinentil mo ito kasi madilim na.
Kunyari, ito magulo doon.
Kumain ka na.
Ba, nasa likod ang video.
Ako na nga lang magla-live, eh.
Ikaw na nga mag-live.
Ba't ang dilim ng phone mo?
Original to eh. Ano to? Samsung. Kita mo, nakita ko yung ulan. Sa inyo wala. Di ba sabi niyo walang ulan sa iPhone niyo?
Original quality ulaman.
Bye-bye! Dito ka na.
Di ba sabi niyo walang ulan sa iPhone niyo? Sa akin kitang-kita, may ulan.
Wala ka ate, init-init. Kuya, ato siyang kakuyad. Gumulong ng gumulong ha. Ano may isa pang tubig dyan?
Ano yata sa ano?
Nawala yung mayonnaise. Tinapon mo?
Eh, pinaka-live na ako. Natalo yung cellphone ko kay madilim.
Ano nasan yung mayonnaise?
Yan siya sa loob yata. Dito oh. May dang.
Wala na.
Ay, nandun sa karton, bunso. Nasa karton ng basura.
Meron pa isa.
Nasa karton ng basura?
Ano? May isa pa.
Dito.
Ah, yun o. Sabi ko meron pa isa.
Shout out sa mga nandyan. Kain tayo. We are live.
Kawar, tagay.
Saglit kuya. Nasaan lang?
Baka malasing kayo niyan. Hindi ka makapag-drivean. Oo nga.
Dalawa talaga yan.
Dalawang cook yan.
May beer kuya. Andito.
Nanti mo, nalakas ng ulan na. Tamaan na leg ko.
Saglit lang yan. Pag binigay na niyo yung kabuuang buhos, wala na kasunod.
Hanggang 9 o'clock nga.
Sunod na naman na buwan.
Hanggang 9 o'clock ang ulan.
At least hindi tayo nainitan sa bahay. Butog-butog pawis.
Oo, napakainit sa loob ng bahay. Grabe. Pero may bus ng bus 30 na yan. May aircon.
At saka bus 30 diretso na sa inyo. Mamaya. Gusto ko ng puwet.
Mag-bus 30 na lang kayo.
Puwet ng kukurukok.
Lagyan mo puwet.
Meron tayo yan o.
Puro taba. Puro taba yung puwet.
May puwet
Hindi
din. May
makita ang Eiffel dito, puro puno. Magkakamag-anak yan sila, pare-pareho lang payong nila, tema.
Oo. Ano yan? Turista.
Mga turista.
Binili lang yan doon sa souvenir doon sa baba.
Dapat bumili din kayong kapote.
Yung aking live demo, shout out sa nandyan.
Makita ba, makita ang labi, mong ibon sa baba, kung mayroong ibon. Nakikita ka pa kaya ng mga viewers mo?
Kita naman ang ano, halaman.
Tao, patayin mo na.
Ano nga dito?
Wala lang manonood yan.
Patayin mo na daw kasi hindi makamayin.
Ate, ba't maliwanag yung phone ko?
iPhone yan o,
Shout
iPhone.
out to my 2 million viewers.
Gusto nyo lumiwanag cellphone ko?
Trocadero kami after ng work.
Hanggang anong oras ka nag-work eh?
Ha?
Anong oras ka nag-work?
Alas 7 ate. May COVID nga si David eh.
Tapos?
Andun siya. Doon siya sa labas ng bahay. Di siya napasok habang nandun ako.
Ayan, sabi nyo, hindi, walang ulan oh. Kita nyo, may ulan.
Kahit nga nakapayong sila. Tinan mo, nagtayuan sila eh. O tayo dito, hindi tayo tinatamaan ng ulan.
O, kaninong cellphone ang original? Di akin, kasi nakita sa akin na may ulan. Alas 8 hanggang alas 9. Madilim lang siya, pero nakikita kong may ulan.
Maniwala kung may ulan pag napuno yung baso ko.
Ako, ito lang gusto ko kamote. Ang sarap.
Kamay mo lang nakikita sa live ko.
Akala ko yung nahipon.
Ang live mo.
Sabi niya,
Ay, ba yun naman no? Akala ko nahipon.
sabi niya, ano gusto mo ba? Hipon o ano? Chicken o chicken.
Kaya pala hipon.
Chicken naman ako. Chicken
Ay,
o
nagalangan ako
chicken.
dumampot. No? Parang hipon man yan.
Chicken na manok.
Chicken o manok.
Pala kanina ko ba narin?
Sabi niya, chicken o manok o hipon. Yung pala, ano yan?
Kamote.
Kamutik yun. Ayan na, ayan na. Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo na may ulan? Ayan na. Dito pa kay banda, walang... Doon kayo sa... Dito
Ate,
nyo...
pagpandong oh.
Dito nyo...
Sa gitna.
Pagpandong. Hindi tayo mabasa dyan. Hindi tayo
Wala
mabasa dyan.
dito.
Hindi tayo mabasa dyan, kaya lang dito kayo magpandong. Hello live, I'm live, I'm alive. Hindi mo sila, nagpaulan niya eh.
Naku po, nalakasan eh. Ipandong mo yung ano.
Nakaramdam na ako, mga kapat.
Ano siya? Hilahin natin, hilahin natin.
Hilahin mo yung pagkain dito. Park pa more.
Taga. Ano yung walang tubig? Ay, yan wala dito.
Dito pa. Usap pa. Weh.
Ano itong sinablay mo sa akin?
Buti na lang hindi tayo pumunta doon. Punong-puno.
Dito tayo, ulo natin.
Oo, kasi tingnan mo. Ang dami ng tao nasa tapos nasa gitna. Dito ka na ako po.
Pinoy?
Wala nang wala nang ulan.
Ah, Indonesia?
Indonesia?
I think Filipino. Very hard place like Filipino.
Yeah.
Yes, the same.
Look like, right?
Yes,
Because we're neighbors.
we're neighbors.
Di?
ka ba? Nagbebenta niyan
1
sa
hour
ano?
ago, maybe 1 hour ago, come from Sacricor. You know Sacricor?
Ah, I went there today.
Ah,
Today,
we go
today?
there also. They was there. Yeah.
Ah, wow. I was there like 3 p.m., 4 p.m.
They were there like,
Maybe
what time you guys? We don't see each other, that's why. They were there today like, as
That's why we are
like tourists, you know.
I'm going inside the church.
Ah, you went there?
Yes.
I went there before as an exchange student, and the line was so long today, so
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
decided not to go
Before I
inside.
go, the line is very long.
But yeah.
Yeah. Maybe for the
side trip lang yan.
6 p.m.
Italy talaga.
Ah,
Like that.
Nagda-diet ako. I am live. Hello.
I work in Brunei only 4 months.
4 months.
Yeah.
What did you do in Brunei?
For sewing,
Sewing machine.
sewing,
I'm
make
sorry.
dress like that. That's why I know a
They're
little bit.
skilled sewer.
That's why I know a little bit speak in Indonesian because the Indonesian and Philippine language only little bit different.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like for example like
Salamat.
tulong. But the difference is only later.
Salamat, salamat.
Because tulong in Philippines tulong also. But Indonesia the difference is T-O-L-O-N-G.
Yeah.
No
In
spells.
Philippines T-U-L-O-N-G.
P?
T-U.
You?
Yes.
Ah, tulong.
Tulong. Tulong. In Indonesia tulong.
Tolawin.
That's right. A little bit different. That's why I'm very fast to learn
To learn
how to
Malay.
speak. Yeah.
Indonesian.
But only 4 months finish.
And then you go here?
No, before 2004.
13 ako kaon.
And then
13 ako kaon sa akin.
after 4 months I come back Philippines because the company is closed.
Nag-reduce pa naman ako.
So
Okay lang yun, 30.
So when you went here, like 10 years ago?
Now running 6 years.
6 years.
No, 6 years na. June.
June 6 years.
You want some sweet potato?
No, I'm kind of full. Thank you.
Because my wife and me coming 2019.
You want some apple?
Apple?
Bigyan mo sa te. Ayan.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
For you. Maybe you are coming
Yeah.
slim.
Thank you. I'll take it later.
Siapa nama kamu? Siapa nama?
Fahad.
Hah?
Fahad.
Pahad.
Ah, you are Muslim, ha?
Huh?
You are Muslim.
Yeah.
Indonesia.
Okay.
Fahad.
A lot of Muslim.
Ah.
Maybe Christian, maybe.
Indonesian is
One-third?
most
Yeah, 85%?
85%
You're Muslim, yeah.
okay.
That's why the Muslim is maybe 1/4 only.
Yeah.
Naka-live ako maigi. Live ako dito. Demo, ako lang tinututukan.
Oh.
Munji po ko.
Oh, hiningit ko naman pagkain. Ayan, wala na. Wala.
Me, Rumi, my wife,
Parang
Banji,
ayaw.
9 o'clock.
my wife,
9 o'clock.
Josephine,
Josephine
Josephine?
and RR.
RR.
Hello.
Okay, so when was the last time you went back to Philippines?
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
Them not yet.
After the
Yeah.
paper of my wife release, maybe possible.
Me last March.
Last March.
I was
So
there.
you, after 6 years, haven't gone back?
No.
Because they
No
don't have
chance.
your papers, you know? You know the rules
procedure.
here. If you don't have like legal papers, you cannot.
Pag
You
sinabi
cannot
ko
go
sa akin,
back to
matagal ako
Philippines and come
magulat
back here again. No. If
Kasi
you
10 years ka
went
na
back
dito?
to Philippines, you're gonna stay there
14
for
years
good. If you don't have the
Hindi, 10 years na ako dito pero 14
legal
years na ako
paper.
dito.
Like cactus decisions.
Kind of you.
Kasi nagganon-ganon ako tapos pumunta din.
Right now, you don't have the paper.
They don't have. I have.
Oh.
Me, I've been here for 10 years.
10 years. So, since 2015 is that?
Yes, since 2015. But I go for vacation always like every year
Hindi mo ako
Philippines?
mabugas ako.
because I have children over there.
Oh, so your children are in Philippines?
Yeah.
Can you estimate how many children of this? Can you estimate? 3?
3.
No. More.
More.
Yes,
Yeah.
five.
Yeah, 5.
And you have one? No?
Believe
No,
me
I
not.
haven't married. No, I just look old. I'm 24 years old.
Oh, yeah.
No, I told you you look old.
Maybe you are
Kamsa-kamsa?
Nee.
Eh? So?
Nee.
So you're looking for
Handsome.
You're straight?
Yeah.
You're
I'm
straight?
straight. I have a girlfriend.
why she's not here with you?
We don't have enough money to go for 2 people, and we have
Where is she?
in Jakarta,
Jakarta.
in Indonesia. Yeah.
Is that like close to each other? the
Between?
yes, the
Indonesia?
Indonesia and Jakarta is like
Jakarta
Yeah.
is in Jakarta is the capital city of
Capital
Indonesia.
city of Indonesia.
okay. Sorry, I didn't.
So I just go here just for vacation, 3 weeks, and
Sabi
after
niya,
that,
after you go back
yeah,
in Indonesia?
yeah.
After you go back here? No.
You're lucky because you have means to go vacation like this. Yeah.
You have a lot of money.
No, I saved my money for like 6 years before I go.
Because very hard to come
If you
here.
have done work here, you cannot afford to give the
That's
pay in
true.
your house.
The what?
The rent.
The rent for your house.
Yeah, yes. Then I have saved the money for 6 years.
Truth.
And then after that, I have 3 weeks, you know? Like 6
Totoo
years of
insan, ang
saving.
sarap
3
kumain sa
years
ilalim ng
of
puno
vacation.
habang naulan.
It's so expensive
Sino yan?
to
Sino?
Si Ethel.
go here.
Intel, shout out to
Nandito
Insan.
kami sa Trocadero, inulan kami. Alam mo yun? Andito kami sa
All of you work in Paris?
Yes.
tapat ng Eiffel Tower. And
I don't go back in the Philippines.
inulan kami kaya nandito kami sa ilalim ng puno.
Oh,
By the way, 33 na ng
may
gabi
rainbow,
dito.
oh. Busok. May rainbow.
Rainbow after rain.
There's always rainbow
Cannot
after
go
the
back
rain, sabi niya.
What do you call in Indonesia? This one, Baghari.
Huh?
Baghari, this one? Indonesia? Daribo?
Pelangi.
Ha?
Pelangi.
Pelangi.
Baghari sa atin yan.
Baghari in Philippines. Philippines. Baghari.
Baghari.
Bahaghari.
Bahag yung hari.
Bahag ng hari.
Baghari. Ah, the sun is
sun?
the Matahari.
Matahari.
Ah.
It's the same?
No, araw.
Araw, Philippine.
Araw.
Araw.
And moon is
Ang ganda
buwan.
rin naman ng
Bulan.
Bulan.
Same my language.
Bulan?
Bulan.
Bulan.
Oh.
In Philippines, it's also bulan.
Bulan yan.
B-U-L-A-N?
Yeah. Pag Tagalog, buwan.
Buwan.
But my language, buwan. Bulan.
Bulan.
Yeah.
It's also the same as month?
Not is man. Yes, man.
Like January,
Atin din
February.
pa.
Yes.
Bulan.
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 Bulag pipi.
And in tahon, in Indonesia tahon,
What is tahon?
in Philippines, taon.
Tahon. Tahon.
Taon. No
Without
age.
age.
No age.
So,
Tahun Indonesia.
Yes.
Taon.
Taon. In Indonesia, tahon. Berapa tahun kamu?
Pira ka tahon.
To ask my age.
Berapa tahun kamu kawan?
Yeah.
Like that.
Ah.
Kunin mo na yun dong.
Aray ko, natawa ko kayo. Pinalayo lang yun dyan sa akin. Tapos,
Wala nang thunderstorm.
Di na, uy, may ano pala dito.
Ganun daw yun, thunderstorm. Pag may thunderstorm, delikado.
Bagi natin ito, baka magtampo.
inumin mo. Dinala ko nga, sabi ko, inumin ni Kuya eh.
Bigyan mo yung mama.
Isa. Ah, kawan.
Kawan.
Ah, thank you.
Meaning kawan, kaibigan or
Heineken.
friends.
Friend.
Friends.
Kawan.
Kawan.
Do you have a can open it?
Yes, I saw to open.
Ah, you know
She's
She's
She's a professional.
a very very bad drinker.
If I work
Very
in
bad
Brunei,
drinker.
if I work 1 year maybe, I know how to
Yeah,
speak,
you know how to speak
very
it
good
fluently,
English
you know,
for
right?
Ano?
But I'm only 4 months.
Nagligpit na ako kasi maulan.
Yes, bro.
Ano pistache ka na ko?
Maulan kasi.
Para upo daw si
Para
Kuya.
makaupo ka.
Kaya ako nagpipis.
Do you mind if we take a photo together?
Go ahead. Yes.
Go ahead. Okay.
Atong,
Behind back. After.
no.
Do you have like Facebook, Instagram?
Maybe I cannot look myself.
So if I go vacation, I
it's
can
white.
go to Indonesia.
Yeah.
We
Pahad,
go with
pahad.
Indonesia,
Pahan.
pahad. Pahad o pahan?
Pahan.
Pahan.
F-A-H-A-N.
Pahan.
Pahan.
What's your name again?
Pahan.
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 Si pahan. Hello,
Pahan.
pahan. We have friend there. Pahan.
Pahan.
I'm thinking Pahan.
Like easy pare lang. Pahan, pahan. Like that? No. Yeah, and Philippine dahan-dahan.
Pahan.
Like this, slow.
Tahan?
Dahan.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Indonesia, dahan-dahan.
Pangit ng weather.
Tahan mean hold. Indonesia tahan, hold. Slow fly.
Shout out sa aking viewers dyan. Sinimpa viewers ko rin.
Move.
Yeah, well,
Sinimpa viewers.
Long time I cannot recall the
Ngayon kami
language.
naggala tapos
I have a lot of language in Indonesian I forget.
Bakit viewers ko rin
But back
sinimpa?
there you could speak
Yeah.
plenty.
If somebody
Yung pa,
like you,
dalawa
if
cellphone
somebody
mo,
like
no?
you,
Nanood
to
kang dalawa
sometimes talking with me, that's why sometimes the language I recall also. But Indonesian language not very hard to
No,
learn.
not at all. Yeah, I think
Same
it's easy.
letter.
Yeah,
Same letter.
same letter. Yeah, same letter, easy pronunciation.
Yeah, easy pronunciation.
Never give up if the airline refuse you a compensation if your flight
Very
was
hot.
delayed.
Nainitan na ako. Nag-ano siguro, yung lumabas yung init ng umulan.
Hindi te, kaya ka nainitan kasi gutom ka.
Kumain ako ng marami. Kita pa sa video, kain ko ng dami.
Ayan, ano sabi doon?
Wala na, ano na.
Don't close down.
Very hot ng cellphone ko. So hot now.
So you live alone?
Where here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
No problem. You go outside the house
Yeah.
and then rounding.
Yeah.
Like RR name, RR.
Round. Round. Nimpa, shout
Very
out.
good name.
Arar.
Yeah.
But what's your real name actually?
Christina.
And why people call you
Very
Arar?
sexy. Christina.
Very beautiful girl.
Beautiful girl.
Yeah.
He don't like
Christina ba
he don't
naman?
like Christina. He like RR like a
RR.
boy.
Like boy.
Because round, looking.
Looking.
Oh,
Beautiful girl.
Looking around.
that's why.
Looking for beautiful girl.
Now
He find
stop
the
now
time.
because Josephine is still here.
Try it. I have a very nice bongbong.
Thank you.
There's an almond inside. Hello po, tita.
Where exactly do you live in the Philippines? Thank you.
In Cavite.
It's far from Manila?
No?
No.
Not so, it's like 45 minutes, 30 minutes by car. Not so far.
And there also the sea.
Hello, tita. Si
But have to
Christina.
namin my house not possible to hit
Balik po kami
the
dyan
wave of the tsunami because in the high level.
Sa room.
Not same
Shout
Jakarta.
out sa
That's
Daknawan.
before 2004.
Yeah.
Before the time, I've been in
Ang init nga. Bigla ngang uminit, ate.
Brunei.
Tapon mo, itapon mo.
2004?
Yeah. Did I see that?
When the tsunami hit the chair.
Kain niya, tatapon.
Tapon ang bag kasi may kidlat.
Yeah.
May rainbow na, wala na.
And I see the maybe one town. Only masjid.
Yeah.
Regard.
Only masjid can
Ate,
survive.
tikman mo yung bongbong ko. Masarap.
Thank you.
May almond sa gitna.
Dami kayo buko monji, ha?
So you have to.
Si Ate Francine.
Mga Fransi, ha? Mga Fransi.
Yeah. Powerful yeah.
Parli Fransi, anti po.
Amba di ba?
Tulijor,
Pabuko.
trabay. Paikol.
You work as what now?
So you can speak
French,
fluent French, right? Because
Fluent.
you've been here as a student.
Yeah,
Of
for
course.
1 year, yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah.
You have to learn French language. But me and my wife learn only work. Tulijor.
And what are you doing like now as work?
Like me,
Like what? Like
working in the house.
working in the house? As what?
Because very hard, yeah.
Cleaning.
Cleaning offices like that, houses.
Massage, like that. What the work of the girl? My work is yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Ayusin mo mag-in-English na.
Siyempre.
Hard to English, ha?
Ako pa, pero how do you
It's hard to English, hard to pronounce also. Tagalog, Bisaya.
Bulit siya.
Tawag ko sa atin eh.
Ganyan naman mga amo kahit ano, ang bay nga eh, ang bay, babay eh. may patron. If she told me, Iba, you buy me like this. In English, buy, B-Y-E. So, bye-bye. Like this. If you don't understand, oh lala.
If you don't have common sense, you won't understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Until 9 o'clock ang ulan eh.
Wala na.
Hintayin nyo mag 9 o'clock, baka bumuhos naman. Good, it's nice now, huh? Nice the
Yeah.
climate.
Climate. Rains finish. Very good climate now. But the sun is come down.
Nainitan nga ako, sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Yeah, because I come here to see the lumière.
Yes.
That I fell out.
Yes,
Because
yes.
I have never
Never
seen
seen?
it in
Before?
live. Yeah, because
If you come
before
here?
whenever I came to Paris, I live with a host family in Versailles, Chateau de Versailles,
Okay.
and they didn't let me to go home so late.
So
I
you're
have
like an
never seen.
exchange student.
Yeah,
I see.
I was
Like
an
this.
exchange student. I live primarily in Bordeaux, but whenever I came to Paris, I cannot rent hotel because the organization
I
tell me not
see.
to, and I go to host family, and they didn't let me go home so late.
So late.
So I have never seen it this late. You know,
Alright.
like
So,
7 p.m., 8 p.m. I have to be in
okay,
their
so
house.
let's wait all together then.
You wait after is
Around what? 10 p.m.?
or 10:30 like this.
Shout out, Ara!
Sa bigil na malaki.
Palakihan na lang tayo ng bilbil nito.
Ano ka ba? Pumayat ka na nga.
Shout out, Bunso! Pumayat na nga si Arar, ilumit ng bilbil eh.
So you cannot see the Eiffel Tower fireworks before.
No.
Shout out, Pan! Shout out, Pan! My friend, we're friend here in Toripil. And shout out my husband, Rumi. We are here.
Shout out, Tagay.
Tagay-tagay.
Tagay ng Hinikins.
Okay. I put here.
So I come in Trocadero place, and then I found one Indonesian people. So that's very good and very nice man.
Next time daw sa bahay. Yan sabi ko. Next time.
And in Paris, where do you live?
Jabil.
Yes.
Jabil.
7 here and 15.
Yes.
You're only here.
Walking distance.
We're in 16, right? We're in 16 right now. So
15 minutes.
we live in 15.
15 minutes walking.
Yeah.
How much is the rent per month there?
It's like 550.
550
The
euro?
1000 square meter.
One
At the
nine.
10 square meter.
9 square meter.
So small.
So small.
Very small.
550.
Weh. Very small.
Very small.
Yeah, it's
And
like-
you live by 4 in that.
No,
No,
no, no. I
Separate.
have my own
She have own.
apartment.
Mm.
Yeah. You cannot stay like 4 person in one room. Like
Yes, very hard.
you can't even move.
How many person maximum? 1.
Two.
2%. So 550 for 2 person.
Yes.
And how about you? How much?
It's better if
You,
you guys
how
are
about you?
couple.
Me?
Yeah, you're in here?
No.
You have
don't rent
Airbnb
here.
right now?
Airbnb, yeah. 30 euro per night.
Okay.
30 euro?
30 euro.
So how long you gonna stay here this week?
Today is actually my last day in Paris because tomorrow I'm moving to Brussels.
I see.
You go Brazil tomorrow.
Yeah. Because when I was an exchange student, they didn't let me do much like,
Traveling?
traveling to Europe. And now I'm independent here, so I decided to.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And you can speak French, understand French, so that's good.
Yeah.
You can find job here. Yeah?
No, I guess you have a good job in
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
In Indonesia,
Yeah, what you do?
I've actually just finished my master degree,
Mm-hmm.
and now I'm working in AstraZeneca, the pharmaceutical company. Pharmaceutical company.
Pharmaceutical company. Ah, okay.
Nice.
So you're a pharmacist?
Yeah, I'm a pharmacist.
I see.
Good. Good in Indonesia. Good
Very
job.
good job.
But here,
You cannot
Very
see the
hard.
light of the sun. You cannot see the light of the sun if you work in pharmacy.
Yes, it's true.
no, but ang sahod doon kaysa dito,
The salary is good if you're a pharmacist?
In Indonesia, no, but because I work in a multinational company, so it's quite good.
big
But if
company.
you like work in Paka Pharmacy, for
Yeah.
example,
Yes,
in Indonesia, no good.
In Indonesia,
Like
my friend,
Philippines.
if you buy one bottle of Coca-Cola like this, 1.5, how much
Million.
in Indonesia?
In Indonesia, 10,000?
10,000.
10,000
So, 10,000. So, sa kanila yung pag bumili ka to, 10,000 rupee.
Yeah.
How much
Rupiah.
is how
Rupiah,
much is
rupiah.
that in euros?
In euro, it's less than €1 because €1 now is 19,000 rupiah.
Oh,
If I can,
Thousand, ha? Thousand.
I have a lot of money.
Yeah, you have a lot of money. Earning 1 million is so easy there.
if you buy one car, you bring money, maybe one bag.
No, maybe not only one bag, kuya.
Yeah, it's a little more than one.
More
bag.
than one bag,
In
I
Indonesia, a
guess.
standard car is
One
like
sack
200
maybe.
million. Yeah.
Oh, kasi 1,000 ang ano nila eh, pinag-usapan. 1,000, how much?
1,000.
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
My goodness.
10,000 in Philippines, 10,000 big. Ah.
In Philippines, how much you can get that for? In
60.
Philippines, what do you use?
Maybe 1 euro.
Piso.
Peso, yeah.
Maybe 1
100
euro.
something, no, hindi.
100 na?
1.50 euros.
1.5 euros.
How many pesos is that? How much pesos is that?
Pesos?
Like 100
peso.
150.
Pesos.
In Indonesia, you can get nothing for 100. 150 rupiah is nothing. Nothing.
It's just
Not
just
even a
a
piece
cent.
of candy.
It's not even a cent.
No, not even a cent because a cent is 190.
My
190
goodness.
rupiah, 150 rupiah is nothing.
Rupiah, I hear that. Maybe Bangladesh also, rupiah?
Rupee.
Ah,
Ano Bangladesh rupee?
India rupee.
India, rupiah.
Indonesia rupiah.
Okay. Indonesia
What's that?
rupiah.
It's the same? The same?
No.
But
Not at
in
all.
India, it's rupee also, right?
In India is rupee, R-U-P-E-E. In
Yes.
Indonesia it's rupiah.
Okay.
Yeah. Rupee
Rupiah.
double E. In Indonesia it's rupiah.
Yeah, in Bangladesh, in Sri Lanka maybe rupee.
Rupee.
Yeah.
We rupiah. Totally
Same
different.
as India.
Totally
Their
different.
money.
Between Indonesia and India?
No, the India
Maybe rupee rin.
and
Because
Bangladesh?
rupee.
Bangladesh.
Maybe the same.
Maybe the same?
Indonesia, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, rupiah.
They have the same money?
Same money, rupee.
I see.
But a little big high value in
Yeah.
rupiah.
Oo, nandito kami sa tapat ng Eiffel Tower.
Maybe rupiah, you asking
Hi, shoutout kay Alfred yun.
100,000 rupiah, 1 euro. Yeah.
In
Pakita mo kay
Bangladesh, maybe
Alfred yun.
80.
Kanina pa
Kaya
inanood.
lang inuulan kasi kami.
Diba, I send
Kaya
money,
yun.
1,000 euro. A lot of
Choy,
money.
kanina pa kami nagdala. Inabi na kami. Dito naman kami sa ano.
I can buy a car.
Trocadero naman.
Yes, maganda dito.
Kanina pa kami
Maganda
nagdala-gala.
dito, Choy Choy.
Nakita niya kami doon
Kaya
sa simbahan eh. Naka-live ako.
Kaya lang inuulan kami.
You know, like this is
Mulan pa rin
our
ba, ha?
smallest value.
Wala na akong tiyan.
Ang guard. Ano eh?
500.
500? How much is this in peso? Since?
No, it's
No, in euro.
not even cent.
Equivalent.
May
500.
in peso, I have no
Peso
idea.
maybe 1 cent.
No, wala.
No?
I don't
Wala
think
pa.
so. It's
Napakaliit
not
sa piso
even
niyan.
cent, ate.
Hindi.
1 cent.
No 1 cent yan, no 1 cent. Walang 1 cent.
Napakagaan. Parang ano lang, plastic.
Oh, I know.
Oo.
Yeah, I guess it doesn't have value, huh?
Yeah, no.
Because if it's like
This is our Hifis coin, 1,000.
Ah, so the 1,000 is more. 1,000 is
Bigat
more
ang 1,000.
valuable than.
Yeah.
Yes, this
It's
one.
more smaller, I guess.
But,
It's smaller
it's,
than 500.
Heavier.
No, the heavy this one. This one, regard.
Of course, because it's 1,000. It's
that's what aluminum.
500.
But this one is
Yeah,
big,
aluminum.
regard.
Aluminum, I think, yeah.
But the 500 is big, regard. Oh.
Yeah, it's more bigger than 1,000.
Like this, the Indonesian.
The 1,000 is the heavy one. 1,000 maybe you can buy, I don't know.
Candy?
You can keep it, yeah.
Ah, we regard.
You can-
Souvenir.
Next time you go to Indonesia, you want to buy candy? You can use that.
No, they're gonna ask you to swallow it. You go ahead and swallow it. You're not even gonna buy candy with that.
Okay, you eat this.
Maybe you go Indonesia and then you buy candy and then the what is that? The cashier.
Ano
take
oras
the
Shout
money.
out
Oh,
sa
oh,
aking,
oh, what is what?
2 p.m.
aking classmate.
8:52 p.m. na dito.
Dito kami sa ano, Trocadero na gala.
Okay, this is my souvenir.
Lori Gracia, shout out.
I put in my coins purse.
Yeah.
My sister and the boyfriend. My friend,
Pahan.
Pan. And my husband here.
Facebook Live?
Yeah.
No.
All friends in Philippines.
You know, that's
and-
our life here. Like,
Yes.
Yeah.
souvenir.
Souvenir namin yung kanyang ano, 1,000 ate. How much? 1,000?
You now have 1,500.
Oy.
I hope it turns into euro one day.
One day,
One day, I hope.
I
I
hope
wish.
the rupee,
Rupiah.
rupiah is
Rupiah,
more in
right?
Europe.
Yeah.
Ito ba yung basura natin ba ito?
Yes, kuya.
Basura ba ito?
Ay, I
No.
don't think so.
Yan yung basura.
Ani, lobat ka na.
Lobat na?
Ako malapit na rin yan malibat.
Oo, ano dito, 11 p.m. maliwanag. Doon pa lang didilim. Pag summer dito, summer kasi dito ngayon, so 11 p.m. pa didilim.
Upo ka dong. Aray ko.
Alas 9 na dito.
Lalong lumagkit na, te. Lumagkit
Alas
lang.
9 na dito, so
Yan.
hintayin namin umilaw yung
Diyan ka naman.
Lumagkit lang, te.
Pero ano naman siya, mas...
Hindi siya fresco.
Pero okay siya kasi wala nang ulan.
I know
Kanina,
Indonesian,
Si Kuya Romy,
I
kanina
know
pa yun
Indonesian
sila
people,
nagagala, nagpunta na sila
very
sa
friendly
Quezon.
people.
napagod na kami kagagala. Umaga pa kami.
I know that.
Ngayon, anong oras?
Smiling.
Philippines. I
Yeah.
also think that the Philippines are friendly.
You know, Philippines
You think
and
so?
Indonesian the same hour, huh?
The same ancestors.
The same time?
You think so?
Same
You
time.
think so?
Yeah.
Philippines are friendly?
Yeah,
Filipino?
I don't see a lot of Filipinos, but whenever I meet one of Filipinos, they're always kind.
Yeah?
A lot of smile. Yeah, just like you.
Yeah.
That's our, you know,
Not all.
that's all we have.
No, not all Philippine like.
Not all Filipinos.
Yes.
Like that, yeah.
That's all we have. You need to be kind always, you know.
Kuta kinabalo.
Ate, kuya, wag mo naman murahin. Puta ka na balo.
Indonesian and you know Mindanao Muslim.
Yeah.
The people there is like this changing every day.
Oo,
Like this.
nandun sila sa
Like this
pinakamalaking
Ako
Because-
na, lubat na ako.
Changing the
Nataas ng bundok yun
you know,
eh.
the vegetable product.
Hindi pa nga ako nakakarating dun kasi sina ate
But
nakarating
me
na
in Manila very far.
sa
But
Akwikon.
have Indonesian people there but not
Pagod na
not
kami
more.
kagala. Umaga pa, ulala. Nawala na ang ganda ko.
But in Mindanao, oh, like Indonesia, like this, changing every day.
Akin na nga yung cellphone ko, nalubat na dong. Cellphone. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Nalubat na cellphone ko.
For example, banana. Bring
Bye-bye na,
to,
pe.
Kutak Kinabalo.
Napakadilim na
And then
Nalubat
Kinabalo,
na siya.
going to Manila. Like that.
Nalubat na nga. Bye.